Hello again, my dear students. How are you doing? I hope you are all fine. Last lesson, we have learned how to organize data by using pie chart. Today, we are going to learn interpreting data. Interpreting data means explaining the information. Let's read definitions here. Once data has been organized and displayed, we can often make observations and give interpretations of what we see. For example, look at this column graph. By looking at this column graph, you must explain the information. First of all, we have title here, mental arithmetic test marks. It means this is the answer of examination. We have vertical line and horizontal line. Vertical line shows frequency. Look, frequency means the amount of students, and horizontal line shows marks of students. Here is written the explanations. First one, the highest mark was 10 and the lowest was 3. Because of the highest column is at 10, we say the highest mark is 10. Why? Because the last number of this in the horizontal line is 10. That's why the highest mark is 10 and the lowest is 3. Most students obtained a mark of 7 or more. Look, mark 7, 8, 9. More students are obtained these marks 7, 8, 9, 10. There were 30 students who did the mental arithmetic test. How can we find these 30 students? By counting the amount of students. Look, here this mark 3. Only one student obtained mark 3. How could we find? Because it's the next to 1. Look, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 5, and 4. You're adding all this amount, you get 30. Now, we have exercise 67 here. You can answer all these questions. If there are any unknown words, you can translate by your dictionary, use your dictionaries. The first question, the graph shows the type of drink bought by students at lunchtime. Here is the title, lunchtime drinks, and frequency, the amount of students. Here, type of food. I'm going to make some of these questions and you will do by yourself at home. It is on page 144. Let me show you some of them. Wait a minute. Okay. So the first question, what is the most popular drink? It's very easy question. You can easily answer this the most popular drink is soft drink because it's the highest one. So soft drink is the most popular drink. What's the least popular drink? The least popular drink is iced coffee. Look, it is the smallest one. Iced coffee. Iced coffee. How many students bought fruit juice? First, let's find fruit juice. Fruit juice is here. Fruit juice. Fruit juice, the column is next to 50. So 50 students bought fruit juice. How many students bought iced coffee? Here iced coffee, it's next to 10. So 10 students bought iced coffee. Now the second question. The second question is strip graph. Here we have information about books, types of book, adventure, mystery, science fiction, fantasy. You can do it by yourself at home. I cannot show it because I need a ruler and book. Right now I don't have ruler and book. If you have ruler at home, you can measure it, measure the strip in millimeters, and I can answer without using ruler by estimating. For example, look, this question: what's the most popular book type? I can easily say that it's adventure, because adventure is the longest rectangle. Look here, it's the longest rectangle. That's why I can answer this easily. But other questions, you're using a ruler. So in this topic we have many exercises, many questions, about 7 questions I think. Look, it's the first question, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7. All these questions are your homework. You are copying all this in your notebook and then answering these questions. Don't draw the graphs. You don't need to draw graphs. Just answer the questions. Let me answer this question, for example, this question number 6, and then you will do others. Question number 6. Okay, so question number 6. This graph shows the distance traveled as a jogger went from his home to his sports club. Look, what type graph is this? It is line graph. Look, line graph. Now, what is shown on horizontal axis? On horizontal axis, it's showing the time. I'm writing. Look, this is horizontal axis, this is horizontal, and this is vertical. In horizontal axis, it is showing time. And what's shown on vertical axis? In vertical axis, it's showing distance. Distance. Now, what does the end point of the graph show? Here is the end point. This end point shows us sports club. Here is sports club. Sports club is here. And how far from home was the sports club? Look, it's next to 6, so it is 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers. How long did it take to reach the sports club? Here is time. It took 80 minutes. Look, it's above the 80, so it took 80 minutes. Now, question C, how far did the jogger travel in the first 10 minutes? In the first 10 minutes, it is next to 2. So, it traveled 2 kilometers. How long did it take the jogger to travel the first 3 kilometers? 3 kilometers, it's about the 20, so it took 20 minutes. And the last question, what is missing from the graph? What's missing from the graph? Title. Title is missing here. It's not written here. So the answer is heading. Heading means the title at the head of graph. So that's all, my dear students. For today, that's all. Do your homework at home and write your homework on your notebook. Then take photo and then send to me by using Viber or WhatsApp. Viber is better. Okay, my dear students, see you later. See you in next videos. Goodbye. Have a nice day.